Hi and welcome to my next video on addition methods and my final video on addition methods. It won't be my final, but you understand. I've already did number line and column method. So if you haven't seen those videos, you might want to go to my previous videos and see them. Okay, let's go to today's place value. Now, when you think of place value, I think you might already know about place value. So let me just quickly show you both of the questions. So, if you know about place value, go ahead, try it, pause the video. You might want to give at least the first question a go or the second question a go. It's really your choice. If you've tried it, you might want to pause the video because I am going to go through the question now. Okay, for those who don't have a clue what place value method is, it's basically when you do 650, 900. So I've written both of my numbers down, but without the addition sign and the equal sign. Now, I'm going to label HTU. That's basically hundreds, tens, units, hundreds, tens, units. Now, in my previous videos, I did say units, you could change them to ones if you prefer, but I prefer units because that's what I learned in school. Okay, now, I'm going to do the next step, which is, so, my units are 0 and 0. So that's going to give me 0 and 0. My tens are 50 and 0. So that's going to give me 50 and 0. Then my hundreds is, 600 Can you see that clearly? I guess you can. And 900. So, what you're going to do is, now you're going to do at the side corner here, so if you could see all my arrows and everything, you're going to add 600 and 900, and we all know that's 1,500. So I'm going to write that there. Then we have 50, because 50 at 0 is 50. Then we have 0 at 0, so 0. Now add all of that up, and your answer is basically that. So you may be wondering, if you've watched my column method video, how on earth are we going to add 3 numbers together? I have to be honest, it's not really anything different from it. So, if you haven't watched my previous videos, sorry, it's just that my yellow broke off, if you could see in here. That's why it came out. So if you see my previous videos, you can clearly see column method. I have tried my best to show it as much as possible. So yeah, I'm going to now give you the answer. If you have watched my previous video, then have a go at this part. I'm pretty sure you're going to get it. For those who haven't, I'm going to add my units, tens. You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing this so I can show you how it looks like and the concept of this. Okay, now final part. 0 at 0 at 0 is indeed 0. 0 at 5, 5. 5 and nothing, 5. 1 and nothing is 1. So, that cut into there. Your answer is 1,550. So 1,550. Well done if you got this question. The method is pretty big. I'm going to quickly slide that in. Okay, now on to the bottom question. Can you see it? Yep. I'm sorry if this is really crowded. I should have did one line lower, but it's fine for now. Try the question if you know how to do it after the example. Actually, pause the video, try the question. I've already went through the question, a question very similar to this, so have a go. Now, I'm going to say the answer. You might want to pause the video Okay, because I'm going to go through it now. So I'm going to write both of my numbers, and I'm going to do my HTUs again. Now, I'm going to go to my units column, 0 and 9. 0 and 9, because we're doing 9 times 1. Then, we're going to do... So, we've got a 0 again. And we've got 2 here. So, that's 20. And then on our hundreds column... In my hundreds column, I've got 700 and 400. Now I'm going to add all of those up in the corner. I guess I do have enough space. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1,100 if you add 700 and 400. Then you've got 0 at 20. We all know that's 20. Then you've got 9 and 0 is 9. I have made these questions easier than they would be, so you might want to practice some harder versions. In the next video, I'm going to be doing units, tens, and hundreds, thousands, all of those, because I'm not sure you know it. Well, you must know it for all these type of questions. So I'm going to run through all of them in our next video. So adding them together now. Can you see the yellow? Yes, you can. 0, 0 add 9 is 9. 0, 2 is 2. 1 and nothing is 1. 1 and nothing is 1. So our answer to this question is 1, 1, 2, 9. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned about place value, and I'm glad that we know all the methods now. So my most recommended method would be column method. So if you check my previous video, I did do column method. You might want to have a go at that, because that will be the most sufficient and efficient in your exam. It's quickest to do and easiest. You don't have to do this much working out. All you have to do is some grids. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Today's riddle is indeed as follows. The riddle is as follows. You draw a line without touching it. How do you make it longer? I'm going to write the riddle in the description box so that if you don't understand me speaking it, then you'll be fine with it. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you learnt everything about addition, and the next video will be about the units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and I'm going to show you in a layout. Thank you. Bye.